Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan objects using WeChat scanner. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Tap on the Discover option from the bottom of your screen. In the Discover tab, look for the Scan option. Tap on it to open the scanner. Now you can scan the objects of your choice. If you can't find the scan option in the Discover tab, it may be hidden. So to unhide it, go to the Me tab. Tap on the Settings option. Tap on the General option and access the General settings. Scroll down and tap on the Manage Discover option. Now you can find the scan option, tap on it. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right beside the Show Discover option and turn it on. Once you have enabled the scan option, go back to the Discover tab. You should now see the scan option there. Simply tap on the scan option to open the scanner and begin scanning your object. And that's it. This is how you can scan objects using WeChat scanner. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.